I'm locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out. Day 4 of quarantine, still locked up. I will not get out of here until I test negative. Coronavirus, wow. Coronavirus is real. Stay safe, keep your social distance, sanitize your hands, always wear a mask, like me. And you will be safe.
What's up, people? My name is Tonero, and I own this 1993 Nissan Skyline GTST. Okay, I got this car in 2016 in November. I got it from a cousin of mine. He knew what he had, but he didn't have that interest in building it up and modding it. The front bumper is actually from a Series 2 Skyline, so we had to do a bit of filing for it to fit on this one. It's got some side skirts, it's got a higher wing at the back, and I put these 17s 5Z gen rims as well. Okay. It was running on 16s stock. My dream car growing up was a Mitsubishi Evolution 7 or Evolution 9 MR. Then after watching The Fast and the Furious, I fell in love with Leon's yellow R33 400R.
Yeah.
That car just made me love Skylines, and that's when I started to research about them and get to know them more.
So it was a dream car?
It was a dream car. After watching the movie, it became like top of my list. When you look at the GTRs and the 400R, those are all-wheel drive cars. So it doesn't really fit my profile. I love those cars, yes, but you enjoy them going straight line. But this one, this baby here, you can do donuts here and there, you can take a corner sideways. You know, there's a lot of fun in this. Yeah. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff. We've put a front mount intercooler. We're running HKS dump valve. So it's both damping and it has flutter. And it also has some coilovers. It's also running an Aeromotive Stealth fuel pump, 340 liters per hour. We also have a light flywheel, stage 3 clutch and pressure plate.
Stock turbo?
No, the turbo is some expensive Garrett turbo. Yeah, I paid through the nose. Yeah, it's about, There's a Garrett GT2871R that's sitting on it. Okay. Yeah. So it makes the car really fun to drive. Alright, price. Anything for sale. I would love to keep this car, and I would love my son to inherit this car. But you know, you get tempted along the way. I would love a Stargate.
Okay.
250 RS or the 260 RS. Though the 260 RS is hard to find, and when you find it, it's usually very expensive.
So we're still gonna stay within the Nissan family?
I'm a sucker for Nissans. Okay. Yeah, I love Nissans. Because even my daily driver is a Nissan.
Alright, so thanks a lot for sitting down with us and introducing us to your Nissan Skyline R33. There's gonna be more episodes coming for such kind of things. I think in the next episode, we're gonna meet a certain tall guy that owns a 1JZ Mark II. So stay tuned for that episode. It's peace from us.
What's up?
The piece was supposed to be here.
Why?
Because you can do the piece again. Yeah.